ट्रू। इंडस्ट्री में आपके कोई दोस्त हैं या आप दोस्त नहीं रखते हैं इंडस्ट्री में?
To have actual friends, I have couple of 2 or 3 of them in life because हम लोग साथ में जिए हैं तो वो हैं। बाकी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे अच्छे लोग हैं, जैसे मैं अभी पहले जिक्र कर रहा था सातु चक्के के बारे में। Now Manoj and me bonded so well.
मनोज बाजपेयी।
Yeah, absolutely brilliant and he's a wonderful guy. मतलब मुझे अभी भी याद है कि मैं पहले कभी हम लोग साथ में काम नहीं किया था, तो मैं वहाँ पहुँचा दिल्ली और दिल्ली में पहुँच के मैं शावर वार लेकर के मैं एक चाय मंगा ली। तो अचानक हाउस फ़ोन पे फ़ोन आया, तो मैंने फ़ोन उठाया तो वहाँ से आवाज़ आई के मनोज। तो बोला हाँ मनोज क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने कहा अभी नहा के निकला हूँ, थोड़ा चाय वाय पे। तो आ जाओ बैठते हैं। उसके बाद जो हम बैठे हैं बड़ा मजा आया उसके साथ। तो मनोज एंड मी हैव रियली बॉन्डेड वेरी वेल थ्रू आउट द फिल्म एंड इसीलिए वो फिल्म में दिखता भी है। तो वो एक मुझे बड़ा पसंद है एंड आई ऑफन टेल दिस वेरी पब्लिकली that if Manoj hadn't accepted Satya and done such a wonderful job in that, people like us, like me, Irfan, Nawaz, we have taken at least another 5, 6, 10 years to.
He made it simpler.
You have to give him that credit because he sort of opened the doors, you know, for people like us to be accepted by this industry and by.
Like us, how do you define like us?
Unconventional, unorthodox, and true to acting.
So by implication, you mean to say the stars are not true to their profession?
See, as I told you about the ego bit, there is a problem there because that.
सारे stars में?
No, Amir में नहीं है.
Okay.
I respect him a lot. He doesn't carry. He's not a slave to stardom. But for him, People Live would not have been possible. But for him, Tare Zameen Pe would not have been possible. Look at him in Rang De Basanti, and then look at him in Dhoom.
सही.
You know, you can see that it's a person who's dedicated to cinema, who's working. I have nothing against people who are not doing cinema. Nothing. Don't misunderstand me at all. You have Raju Hirani, who's a genius.
सही.
I mean, he's done a film like Lage Raho Munna Bhai with Sanjay Dutt. Okay. And look at the fantastic film that he's made.
Correct.
So mainstream cinema can take a leap from that. My whole point is that you need to go beyond that for the next generation. Pastries are fine, but there's something called a full meal. There's something called a deliciously made, handcrafted, skilled meal, which is so important for health, for the health of cinema. As long as everything is peacefully coexisting, I have no issues. Just like Hollywood is. In Hollywood, you have a very mediocre non-actor called Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger, who's a big star. At the same time, you have Matt Damon, who's a big star.
Correct.
At the same time, you have Russell Crowe, who's a big star. There's a parity over there. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे एक बंदा बहुत बड़ा स्टार होता है, लेकिन नसीरुद्दीन शाह कभी आप स्टार नहीं करते हो. The moment you have parity, everything is healthy. Then you know it becomes healthy.
तो ये parity आपको लगता है आएगी इंडिया में?
I'm so thrilled with Haidar's accolades for Haidar by common people. I'm so thrilled to see the mature side of the audience.
तो आपको लगता है कि ये parity आ सकती है और उसमें सबसे बड़ा हाथ ऑडियंस का होना चाहिए या इंडस्ट्री का?
मेकर का भी होना चाहिए.
मेकर का भी ना? हाँ.
मेकर का भी होना चाहिए because it's a एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती है. So you have to have the conviction that if I make one which has done reasonably good business, I will make another one. Only then will you cultivate an audience. तो आप देखेंगे automatically the audience will start liking cinema per se vis-a-vis non-cinema. The reason why I say non-cinema is because it's become a part of marketing. Unfortunately, today what happens is that marketing का इतना influence, it's almost become like an ad film thing. One is bulldozing the other in a way. Unfortunately, today what happens is हाँ तो script writer बेचारा पेन लेके बैठता है, first line लिखता है, marketing सोचता है. Now you're adulterating cinema. And
do you also think that the films that are being churned out are dumbing down the audience?
Frankly speaking, yes. Like I'm so thrilled by the fact that UTV put all its power behind Haidar. If it hadn't been marketed so well, I don't know how Haidar would have been. Vishal made the film the way he wanted to make it and had the guts to make a film like that. Hats off to him. So Siddharth in UTV and Vishal have to be first given the kudos.
आने वाली आपकी जो फिल्में हैं उनके बारे में कुछ बताइए, जैसे सात उचक्के हैं.
It's a heist film. We have set this entire film in Old Delhi.